Hello, my name is Achim Kettler and I want to show you some tips and tricks about coDiagnostiX. Bye!
One important thing is the cooperation between surgeon and lab. So if you plant your implants, it's helpful that you lock them and the lab can go on working without any risk. And for this it's easy. Just go on Plan, Lock Implants, and you see a locker on the right side of your implant. It cannot be changed anymore, but the lab can design the surgical guide and move the sleeve. Unlocking is easy. Go again here, unlock it, and you can move it if necessary.